Ever feel like your car's AC is just not cutting it? You crank it to the max, but instead of an icy blast, you get a weak, lukewarm breeze? That's not just annoying, it's unbearable. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to uncover 6 proven tips to make your car's AC blow colder than ever. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your ride into a rolling icebox. Stick around because tip number 6 is a game changer that most drivers don't know. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, park smart to keep your car cool. Before we even talk about the AC, let's discuss the root cause of the poor performance of the AC. If you leave your car baking in direct sunlight, your AC has to work twice as hard to cool it down. By the time you start driving, the interior temperature can be well over 140 degrees Fahrenheit, forcing the AC to battle against extreme heat. One solution? Park in the shade whenever possible. If shade isn't available, use a sunshade on your windshield to block a significant amount of heat from entering. You can also invest in side window sunshades or lightly tinted windows to further reduce heat buildup. Before blasting the AC, roll down the windows for a minute to let the trapped hot air escape. Doing this simple trick takes the load off your AC, allowing it to cool the cabin much faster. The cooler your car is before you start driving, the easier it is for your AC to maintain a comfortable temperature. Tip number 2, clean or replace your cabin air filter. One of the biggest reasons for weak AC performance is a clogged cabin air filter. This filter is your first line of defense against dust, debris, and airborne particles entering your car's ventilation system. If your cabin air filter is clogged with dust, pollen, and debris, it blocks airflow and weakens your AC's cooling power. If you've noticed a musty odor coming from your vents, it's a clear sign your filter is overdue for a change. Most manufacturers suggest replacing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. But if you drive in dusty areas, it's best to check it even more frequently. Check your owner's manual, pull out that filter, and if it looks nasty, replace it. A fresh filter instantly improves your AC's performance and keeps the air inside your car cleaner and healthier. Tip number 3, clean the AC condenser. The AC condenser plays a crucial role in cooling your car, but it's often ignored because most drivers don't realize how exposed it is. Located right in front of the radiator, the condenser gets hit with dirt, leaves, bugs, and road debris every time you drive. As it clogs up, airflow is restricted, and the AC system struggles to release heat efficiently. When this happens, your car's AC starts blowing warmer air, even though everything else seems fine. The good news is, you can easily fix this problem by cleaning the condenser with a garden hose or compressed air. If it's extremely dirty, a professional cleaning might be necessary. If you want your AC to work at full power, make sure the condenser stays clean and free of debris. Tip number 4, ensure proper refrigerant levels. Refrigerant is the lifeblood of your car's AC system. Without enough refrigerant, the air conditioning system can't remove heat from the cabin effectively. If your AC isn't as cold as it used to be, there's a good chance your refrigerant level is low. This usually happens due to small leaks in the system, which can be tricky to detect. Instead of simply refilling it, you need to find the leak first. In such case, you should contact a mechanic. A professional mechanic can use UV dye or an electronic detector to locate the problem and fix it before recharging the system. And also, don't overfill the refrigerant. Overfilling the refrigerant is just as bad as running low, as it creates excessive pressure that can damage the compressor. To keep your AC running at peak efficiency, regular check and maintenance the sufficient level of the refrigerant. Proper refrigerant levels mean the difference between a barely cool breeze and an ice-cold blast of air. Tip number 5, set the AC to max but keep it on. Recirculate. Many drivers don't realize that how they use the AC makes a huge difference in performance. If you always leave the AC on fresh air intake mode, you're making your system work a lot harder than necessary. Fresh air intake constantly pulls in hot air from outside and cools it down, which is inefficient, especially on scorching days. Instead, switch to recirculation mode. This setting reuses the already cooled air inside your car, helping the AC maintain a lower temperature with less effort. Not only does this cool the cabin faster, but it also reduces fuel consumption since the compressor doesn't have to work as hard. Bonus tip, it keeps out pollution, bad odors, and excess humidity from the outside. If you want maximum cooling with minimal effort, recirculation mode is your best friend. Tip number 6. Don't use auto mode on extremely hot days. Many modern cars come with an auto mode for their climate control system, which is designed to adjust fan speed and airflow direction automatically for optimal comfort. While this feature is useful in mild weather, it's not always the best choice on extremely hot days. If your car has been sitting under the sun, the interior can become an oven, reaching temperatures well over 140 degrees Fahrenheit. When you activate auto mode in such conditions, the system tries to balance cooling efficiency and energy usage, often resulting in weaker airflow then you need to cool down the cabin quickly. Instead of relying on auto mode, take control of the AC manually. Set the AC to max cool, crank up the fan speed to the highest setting, and keep the air recirculation mode on. This forces the AC to push out cold air at full blast immediately, cooling your cabin way faster than auto mode ever could. Once the temperature inside is comfortable, then you can switch to auto mode to maintain it. Tip number 7, insulate AC pipes. Most people don't think about the AC pipes running through their car, but those pipes play a crucial role in maintaining cooling efficiency. If your AC pipes are exposed to extreme heat, they can lose some of their cooling ability before the air even reaches the cabin. Some high-performance and luxury vehicles come with insulated AC lines, but many regular cars don't. You can improve efficiency by wrapping the exposed pipes in thermal insulation tape or foam sleeves. This simple modification helps the refrigerant retain its cool temperature, allowing the AC to work more effectively. This is especially useful in older vehicles, where insulation may have worn out over time. That's all for this VUD. Which tip are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more car hacks and tips. Stay cool, and I'll see you in the next video.